Hello everyone, I am Diana Paola Diaz Mesa. She is Alexandra. We are a student university at UNAD, of course, English seat. Today we are going to tell a little about artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence is essential for their life. It is present in many from aspects from share and yet to social media and algorithms, AI has a suite of perform tasks efficiently and make data-driven decisions. However, is a sunrise concern about an appointment and data privacy. Despite this, AI has great potential to improve our life. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is tool that should by user responsibility. Now, the company Alexander. Thank you. Bye, Alexander.